sklearn. Decomposition. Dict learning. Description dictionary learning aims to find a set of atoms dictionary elements that can represent the data in a sparse way. It learns a dictionary matrix and a sparse code matrix that can reconstruct the original data. This method is particularly useful for compressing data, identifying underlying patterns, and extracting features. Inputs. X. This is the input data, represented as a 2D array where each row is a data point and each column represents a feature. N components. This parameter determines the number of atoms dictionary elements to learn. It controls the dimensionality of the learned representation. Outputs. Code. This is a 2D array representing the sparse code matrix. Each row corresponds to a data point, and each column represents the coefficient of the corresponding atom. Dictionary. This is a 2D array representing the learned dictionary matrix. Each column corresponds to an atom. Steps. Initialization. The dictionary matrix is initialized randomly. Iterative optimization. The algorithm iteratively updates the dictionary and the sparse code matrix using optimization methods like coordinate descent or gradient descent. Sparse coding step. Given the current dictionary, the algorithm finds the sparsest code for each data point that best reconstructs it. Dictionary update step. The dictionary is updated based on the learned sparse codes, aiming to minimize the reconstruction error. Convergence. The iterations continue until the reconstruction error reaches a predefined threshold, or a maximum number of iterations is reached. Metrics. Reconstruction error measures the difference between the original data and its reconstruction, using the learned dictionary and codes. Sparsity measures the sparsity of the learned codes, reflecting the number of non-zero entries in the code matrix. Visualization plots. Dictionary visualization. Each atom of the learned dictionary can be visualized individually, providing insights into the underlying patterns captured by the model. Sparse code distribution. The distribution of non-zero values in the sparse code matrix can be visualized to understand the sparsity patterns. Fine-tune parameters. Alpha controls the sparsity of the learned codes. Higher values encourage sparser codes. Fit algorithm determines the algorithm used for sparse coding. Options include LAS, CD, and OMP. Transform algorithm determines the algorithm used for transforming new data into sparse codes. Options include LAS, CD, and OMP. Uncertainty methods. Bayesian dictionary learning introduces prior distributions over the dictionary elements, allowing for uncertainty estimation. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. The learned dictionary may be sensitive to the initialization and can lead to local optima. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 in a dataset with complex patterns. Different random initializations might lead to different learned dictionaries. Fixes to challenge 1. Initialize the dictionary with a good starting point based on prior knowledge of the data. Run the algorithm multiple times with different initializations and select the best performing dictionary based on reconstruction error. Challenge 2. Choosing the appropriate number of atoms N components is crucial and can influence the performance of the model. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Selecting too few atoms might not capture all the underlying patterns, while selecting too many atoms might lead to overfitting. Fixes to challenge 2. Use techniques like cross-validation to determine the optimal number of components. Analyze the reconstruction error and sparsity for different values of N components. Consider using model selection strategies like AIC or BIC. Challenge 3. The algorithm can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. Processing a dataset with millions of data points in Thousands of features can take a considerable amount of time. Fixes to challenge 3. Utilize efficient algorithms and data structures. Consider using parallel processing or distributed computing frameworks. Explore alternative algorithms like KSVD, which can be faster in some cases.